Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy to follow. Here's what you need to do. First, open Shopify, go to your store's dashboard, and then click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, navigate to Domains. You may only see the default Shopify domain on your store, but no worries. Simply click on Connect Existing Domain. Now, type your domain in the box. For this example, I'll be using GoDaddy. When I go to my GoDaddy account, I can view all my domains. I'll copy this domain and paste it into Shopify, then click Next. Next, we need to connect the domain by adding some records in the back end of GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy and click on Manage DNS. This is very straightforward, so just follow these steps. In the DNS section, you may already see some records. We're going to add an A record and a CNAME record. If you have an existing CNAME record, you can delete it. Now, click Add New Record, select CNAME for the type, set the name to www, and for the value, copy it and paste it in. Leave TTL at its default setting and click Save. This will add the CNAME record without any issues. Next, add an A record. For the name, type at the rate, and for the value, paste the IP address. Once pasted, click Save to update the A record. After that, head back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check the domain's connection. In my case, it connected almost instantly. To make it your primary domain, click on the domain and choose Change Domain Type to set it as the primary domain. Do this for both domains if needed. Now, give it a couple of hours to fully update. It might happen instantly though. If I copy and paste the domain into a browser, it now redirects to the Shopify store immediately. Although my store is still password protected, the setup works perfectly. And that's how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching.